The iQoo Neo10R features a dual camera setup on the rear and a single front facing camera. Here is a breakdown of its camera quality based on reviews. Camera specifications: rear camera main sensor 50 megapixels Sony IMX882 sensor, f/1.79 aperture, OIS optical image stabilization. Ultra wide angle lens 8 megapixel f/2.2 aperture. Front camera 32 megapixel f/2.45 aperture. General camera quality: daylight photography. The 50 megapixel main camera generally performs well in good lighting conditions, producing sharp photos with good detail and controlled highlights. Some reviews note that images can be slightly overbright or have a bit of added contrast. HDR is recommended to be enabled for better dynamic range. The camera can focus quickly. Ultra wide angle camera. The 8 megapixel ultra wide lens is considered decent, but it often suffers from a loss of detail and can show color shifts compared to the main camera, especially in artificial light. Some reviews mention over sharpening and fringing at the edges. Portrait mode: portrait shots from the main camera are generally solid with good edge detection. However, some reviews suggest that HDR can be overly aggressive, and in certain lighting conditions like sunset, portraits might appear overly smooth or have issues with edge detection. Low light photography: low light images from the main camera are decent for the price, but noise can be noticeable when zoomed in and resolved detail might be lower. The night mode is useful for optimizing low light shots. The ultra wide camera performs poorly in low light, producing soft and unusable images. Selfie camera: the 32 megapixel front camera does a good job in daylight with decent portrait performance. However, in low light it tends to lose detail and show more artificial processing. Video recording: the rear camera supports 4K video recording at up to 60 fps with OIS and gyro EIS stabilization. Daylight video quality is surprisingly good with accurate colors and smooth frame rates. However, stabilization could be better and the phone might occasionally struggle with focus. In low light, video can appear soft, blurry and noisy. The front camera supports 4K 30 fps recording. Overall impression: the iQoo Neo10R's camera system is generally considered decent for its price point, especially for a performance-centric phone. The 50 megapixel main sensor is capable in good lighting and offers OIS for better stability. However, the ultra-wide lens is a weaker point and low light performance across the board is not its strong suit. If photography is your absolute top priority, there might be better options. But for a balanced phone that excels in performance and offers a respectable camera, it's a solid choice.